Good morning, everyone. It's your boy Ethan. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to another video on this channel. I will say, if I look or sound like shit, it's 1 p.m. I'm still in bed, clearly. I just had the COVID vaccine, the second shot yesterday, and boy, it hit me like a ton of bricks. The first shot I didn't have an issue with, but the second shot, we are struggling a little bit. It all hit me last night around midnight. And like throughout the whole night, I just had like a fever, chills, and like now I'm feeling okay, like a little bit better. Obviously not great, but still. It is no joke. So we're spending the whole day at home, but I did want to document some stuff. But before we do that, I guess I'm gonna get out of bed and not look as bad, and just stop being a lazy fuck. So we're gonna do that. But first, outside, got a little package, baby. Here it is. This is really heavy too, actually. Oh no, I need to blur out that address. But it's the newest card protector drop that now I'm holding the camera. I can't actually bring it up. All right. There's 500 of these bad boys in here. It's the newest card protector drop and it's really heavy. So we're gonna bring this all the way upstairs. And we're gonna do this off camera, but really excited about it. I'm gonna bring this upstairs, but maybe we'll tease it for you guys, who knows. All right, this is all the teasing you're gonna get. It's gonna be dropped really soon, but I get a lot of messages constantly, why won't it focus? Constantly about people who wanted to purchase the first WSOP coin, and this is going to be the second drop, the last drop of the WSOP bracelet win. People really wanted the gold ones. It sold out like instantly. So hopefully wanted to make this one as like a 1-year anniversary. Also, this just might sell out immediately too. So it's gonna be released pretty soon. Just wanted to tease it just like a little bit. You guys will get more information about it soon. It'll be up on the site in a month or so, and yeah, I'm excited. That's all I gotta say. So you get a little inside scoop and access to the merch drops if you watch this personal vlog. So there you go, that's what you get, a little inside scoop. Okay, so I had this idea when WSOP announced their online tournament series from July 1st to August 1st, I think, where they're giving out bracelet events online for the summer. And I thought that would be a really great time to go ahead and grind it out. So I've been looking at trips to Vegas because that just makes the most sense to go over there. Trying to book a month-long Airbnb in Vegas, which is pretty costly. I think it's like $3,000. And then I have to get like a rental car, which is like $2,000, something crazy. I gotta work on that because I'm under 25. So getting a rental car is a little more expensive. But yeah, and I was going over all the events that I can show on screen, and it's costly. It's a big time trip. I think like all the tournaments that I wanted to buy, if I wanted to shoot one bullet into them, it'd be a total of like $20,000. So it's a lot, but I'm not really doing it because I want to like tournament chase or like grind out tourneys, but I wanted to do what I did last year. Obviously it worked out really well, and I thought the experience of live streaming it was really fun. Also the experience of hunting for another bracelet, like I think I'm addicted to it now. Very addicted to tournaments and very addicted to trying to get bracelet number 2, although I'm very aware that I suck at tournaments, so that's an issue. So I'm doing a lot of studying for tournaments now and starting to work on it and improving my game. And like I said, the whole point is like for the experience of doing so. So last night, while I was literally wanting to die, I was in bed for some reason brainstorming. And I posted this Instagram story asking potentially about staking and selling a little bit of action for each tournament, because I'm gonna be live streaming everything. And realistically, when I think about making this trip to Vegas to play in these tournaments, it's really not for the money for me. As much as winning a lot of money and getting a 6-figure score is nice, it's really for the experience of live streaming it, sharing this story, sharing the whole experience with you guys on stream, and doing it because I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So ultimately, like, the money's really gonna add up. And on top of that, I'll be in Vegas, so I have to keep up with the normal upload schedule for cash games and vlogs. So I need a bankroll to play a month of cash games in Vegas. It's gonna get really, really costly. So it's just like, why not, because I'm doing it for the experience, why not like think about selling a little bit of action? Like 10, 20% per tournament, it's not gonna be crazy. Like I think a lot of the terms I'm looking at right now, they're like $500, $600. There are a few that are like a little bit more. There's a few that are $1,000, $800, but I'm not gonna play anything more than 3K. There's like 2 tournaments that are like 3K, and I'm just not there yet to play those. And there's one that's 2K that I might sell a lot of action for. So I thought, like, I'm not gonna charge a markup, and I'm gonna be streaming it. So for the people who want to tune into the stream and like actually have a legitimate sweat in it, I thought this would be a really cool win-win idea, right? So, I mean, like I said, the money that I could win is really not the big motivating factor for making this trip. It's really for the content and the experience, and why not spread that experience with you guys? Because at the end of the day, the people that support the channel, like, I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't have some sort of YouTube following or presence or platform that people would watch. Realistically, I just wouldn't be doing it unless I was able to stream it. I wouldn't have made that trip to New Jersey last year and played in those tournaments if I didn't have people that would tune into the stream and make content out of it. So ultimately, it's all about you guys, and I thought it's a good idea. So as you can see, here is the tournament schedule, and you can see that there's a lot of them that are pretty affordable because they're online. So there seems to be 33 total events. There are some PLO ones, but I'm probably gonna be playing like 20 to 25 events total, and like you can see the buy-in prices, like $500, $600, and there's this one $2,000 one that I might sell more action of. But when you look at the tournament schedule, like realistically, like the buy-ins, like I said, were like $20,000 total, something like that. And I'm not gonna be selling too much action, so it'll probably be like, I don't know, maybe 2,000 to 4,000 max of like action that I'm not going to be selling. So I was thinking about ways to like distribute this method, and at first I thought like maybe I'll just go through Instagram DMs and like message people individually, and that seems like an absolute pain, and have like a Google Sheets and like a spreadsheet to track everything and see how much percentage is. Oh god, awful. But I did realize I have a Shopify store where I can literally like, I mean, I'm on my store right now, and I just created this thing earlier today. So I have this Shopify store here. As you can see, this is the home page. I have the merch. Right now we've just got the card protectors and 2 custom poker chips. And I can just make this other tab here. 2021 WSOP online action. Obviously I have nothing on here yet, and I don't want to make this live until I'm 100% going to do it. But I was thinking today I can just go through the tournament list, go through the ones that I do want to play, and start planning things out, and then figure it out from there. Because, like, for example, the first event is $500. It's the big 500, whatever, $500 buy-in, and I'm not going to sell that much of it. I mean, it'll be like $100 max. It'll be a fun sweat for maybe 1 or 2 people. So I think if I can structure it in such a way where I can have it on my Shopify store, have it easily tracked, and then convert that into a spreadsheet, and then I can pay people out with their contact information and reach out to them, it might just work out. I do need like a rules sheet just so everyone's on the same page, but I kind of want to do this, and I'm not going to launch it until it's 100% there. And to be quite honest with you, this idea might not even like work or be live or come to fruition, but it's a little behind the scenes or inside scoop as to what my mind's thinking about. And it's an experiment that I might actually go through with if I do make this Vegas trip, which I am thinking about doing. Like, I'm really tempted to pretty much move there for a month to play these bracelet events. So yeah, I'm gonna spend the day to do this and plan things out. So hopefully I can report back to you guys pretty shortly and go over what I've come up with. But yeah, so people who watch the vlog, you're getting a big inside scoop and early access. Because honestly, there aren't that many tournaments that I'm gonna be playing. There's gonna be like 25 max tournaments, and there's only gonna be like 1 or 2 spots per tournament where I can sell action of, because I'm not selling that much of it. Like, for example, there's like 3 tournaments right now. This Micro Madness thing, it's a $400 tournament, $333 tournament, and $400 tournament. Like, I don't think I'm gonna sell action on those because it's so small, and it's like if I sell 20%, that's a lot. Like, it's only 80 bucks, and I kind of want to have all of myself in those ones. But for everything else, $500 plus, I might do something there. So yeah, we'll touch back and see. But like I said, not 100% sure this is gonna work, but who knows? This is a little inside scoop, and I'll get back to you guys. Of course, right when I start this spreadsheet, I think it's a really great idea to fire an ACR tournament. It's just how I just had to multitask. When you get these two monitors, dual monitors, you got to make the most of it. And here, degenning some tournaments, I just couldn't help myself. I had to do it. Okay, so we just laid out and planned out everything, and looks like there are 26 tournaments, really 25 tournaments, debating on this. Not this $3,200 buy-in tourney. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. If I play it, then I'll probably sell significant action. But for now, I'm not really going to count this one, so not in that total. Total buy-ins for one bullet of each tournament is $17,000, which is a lot. But we're probably going to sell about $3,800 worth of action. And it'll definitely be a little bit better on my bankroll to save this much money, and it'll be a cool experience to offer to you guys or everyone watching the stream. So just wanted to plan this out right now, and I guess the next steps are to fill up this page on my Shopify store just to have it preloaded. Obviously not going to make it live for people to be able to purchase it yet, but at least have it preloaded that if I do confirm this trip, then we're good to go. It's such a nice and beautiful day out, but we're stuck inside in our house because we have almost COVID. We almost have COVID. We pretty much have COVID with the vaccine. Anyways, we're done. I just spent a while inputting all of this stuff, and let's just check it out. I want to get your thoughts on this, ideally. So here we just obviously pretty much everything here. We put it into Shopify. Everything's a draft right now because we don't want this to be public. We don't want people to buy into this yet. But we just entered everything, all the events that we want to buy into. We're not doing any of the PLO ones, but let's take a look at this. I want to see your thoughts. So here's event number 1. Here's the title. This is a big 50 or big 500. $500 buy-in, and I want to be very, very, very transparent. Read the freaking description before you do anything. And here are the rules and what's going on. Here's a little cheesy picture of me holding the bracelet. All right, so here's the description. Here we're selling action for the upcoming WSOP online bracelet series that occurs from July 1st to August 1st, 2021. I almost said 2020. Anyways, each event will be live streamed on YouTube, and action is offered for the online sweat. I am selling action at absolutely no markup. It's only marked up a little bit to cover the Shopify and PayPal fees. So as you can see, I have it offered at $54 right here. Although 10% of the buy-in would be $500. The PayPal fees and all that stuff kind of add up. So this listing for event number 1 that will occur on July 1st, it's a $500 buy-in with action marked up, or action offered up to $100 for 20% of the buy-in plus winnings. Each item offered will be for 10% of the buy-in, and this will only apply to bullet 1 of the tournament. If I bust in the first bullet and fire multiple buy-ins, top this turn. Oh, this stupid grammar mistake. Staking will not be covered, but will use my own discretion if I run deep in the second bullet. So, for example, if I fire 2-3 bullets, obviously you're not into it, but if I win it, I'm not gonna be an asshole and, be yo, I'll probably give you something, all right? If I win on the second bullet and I win 100K plus, I won't be an asshole. I'm not gonna be I'm gonna steal your $50. We're all gonna win and eat together. For example, in this situation, if you wish to buy 20% of this specific tournament, just add 2 of these to your cart. Like I said, the pricing is each is essentially 10%. Obviously, please enter your phone number and email address so I can contact you in the future for payouts. I am going to be listing all of that stuff here in action purchased and keeping track of everything. So, and the Google Sheets tracker will track all actions sold and results of the tournament. This is going to be the link. Hopefully this can be clickable, or at least you can copy and paste it onto your browser, and it's pretty much just this link. And there's that. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this. Just spent the day to pretty much get this going. Hopefully we do this. I'm gonna have to book an Airbnb, and then once everything is official, I'm going to launch this. But if you are interested in something like this and you want to buy into it, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. I'll probably be posting updates there, or go to my RampagePoker YouTube channel and tap the notification bell. So I'll be probably making a post whenever it goes live, and I'll be offering people on Instagram first, just because it's a smaller pool. And realistically, I think for 25 tournaments, and I'm not even selling action on all of them, so maybe 20 tournaments I'm selling action on, and there's probably 2 to 3 spots total to be purchased anyways. It might sell out really quickly, so if you want to get into this. I will be announcing it on Instagram if everything is all official. Hopefully it will be all official, but this has been a fun one to do, fun to document the process. Hopefully you got some entertainment out of it and saw the behind the scenes of what we do with RampagePoker on the days where we're not playing poker. So got some fun projects and cool stuff along the way. This should be really fun, so this summer should be a blast, live streaming all of the Bracelet events. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. We're uploading a vlog here every single Tuesday. Got some fun videos coming up. We're traveling, going to Austin next week, so you might see a video of that. But for now, I'll see you every single Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because we're uploading 5 videos a week now. So see you guys next time. Peace.